Say hello to Alex. He's a good guy hacker, living a life filled with puzzles and high-tech cat and mouse games. And the game is on. A company's computer systems have been breached and they need help. The clock is ticking. To carry out his mission, he needs reliable and good hacking tools. The first tool Alex uses is the vulnerability scanner in Nessus. Its job is to poke around the system, see where the gaps are. Next up is the network scanner Nmap. Like a detective, it hunts down every sneaky secret passage in the system's network. Finally, the penetration tool Metasploit. It's like a personal Swiss Army knife, perfect for simulating attacks and making custom exploits. Alex uses these tools to test, validate, and strengthen the system's defenses, and you should too. Job done. The system's safe and sound. Couldn't have done it without these tools. Let me know in the comments which of these tools you want me to make a tutorial for. Until then, happy hacking!